Now the problem that we are going to solve is called arithgeo. Have the function arithgeo is going to take a parameter arr, array of numbers stored in the arr, and return the string arithmetic if the sequence follows an arithmetic pattern, or return geometric if the sequence follows uh, a geometric pattern. And if it doesn't follow either pattern, just return -1. An arithmetic sequence is one where the difference between each of the numbers is consistent, whereas in a geometric sequence, each term after the first is multiplied by some constant or common ratio. Arithmetic example 2, 4, 6, 8, and geometric example this. Negative numbers may be entered as parameters, 0 will not be entered, and no array will contain all the same elements. So what does that mean? Arithmetic example is going to be that. So that is our arithmetic example. If you look at the pattern, you can see that there is a difference between 2 and 4 is going to be 2. The difference between 4 and 6 is going to be 2. And the difference between 6 and 8 is going to be 2. So that is remaining constant. And if we look at the geometric example, 2, 6, 18, and 54. So if I multiply 2, where is it? If I multiply 2, 3 is going to give me 6. Then if I multiply 6 with 3, it will give me 18. And if I multiply 18 with 3, it will give me 54. So we can see that the constant here is this number. Now, what do we need to do to figure out this constant? If I, for to figure out this constant, we can see that if I subtract from the second element the first element, then I'm going to get the constant. Subtract 6, the second element, from the first element 4, I'm going to get the constant. And here, if I want to figure out the ratio, I can see if I divide the second element by the first element, I'm getting 3. If I divide 18 by 6, I'm getting 3. If I divide the second element 54 by 18, I'm getting 3. So this is the formula that we are going to use. So first we are going to figure out the pattern, the arithmetic pattern. Then we are going to figure out the geometric pattern. And then we are going to take two variables, arithmetic and geometric, geometric, and we will say these are true. And then we are going to use a for loop. And in that for loop, we are going to check if it is arithmetic or if it is geometric. If it is arithmetic, we are going to traverse through all the numbers in that array. If it is arithmetic, then arithmetic is going to be true, remain true. And if it does not follow the geometric pattern, if it follows the geometric pattern, then the geometric pattern will remain. Then the geometric will remain as true, and the arithmetic will become false. And after we figure that out, we are going to just use an if else statement to see which one is true and then print that thing. So it is going to be very easy. First, we are going to check arithmetic pattern. So let arithmaticpattern, and I'm going to check if the second element and the minus the first element. If I do that, I'll figure out that arithmetic pattern 5, 10, 5. So yeah, let's see, console log it and check. So we can see that the pattern is 5. And if I see that geometric GEOMATRICP pattern, I'm going to divide the second element by the first element. Geometric pattern. This is 2. So this is the pattern. It should be equal to, you are going to see that next. Now let arithmetic is going to be true, is going to be true. Now for let I equal to 0, I is going to be less than ARR dot length minus 1 and then I plus plus. Let first we're going to see ARR, I is going to be the first element, and let second ARR, I plus 1 is going to be the second element. Now if arithmetic is true, which for the first iteration is going to be true, then check if second minus first does not equal to arithmetic. If it does not equal to arithmetic pattern, then we're going to say, bro, the arithmetic is false. And if it does, we are not going to use if-else statement because we need to check all of it. Geometric, if the second divided by first does not equal to geometric pattern, then we are going to say, okay, in this case, the geometric is going to be false. So now, now the loop is over. So after the loop is over, the arithmetic or geometric, either one is going to be true or false. So we are going to write the condition. If arithmetic is still true, then return the string arith metic, else if it is geometric is still true, in that case we are going to return geo, and if neither of them is true, I'm going to return -1, right? -1. So let's run the test cases. All the test cases are passed, and now I'm going to submit it. Everything passed.